Can Celtic harps be played in various musical genres? If you're curious about the Celtic harp and whether it can be played in different musical genres, you're about to discover just how versatile this ancient instrument is. First, let's talk about the Celtic harp, also known as the clarsach. This harp has a rich history dating back over 1,000 years, and it's traditionally wire-strung. It was once a central piece of Gaelic culture, played by professional harpers in courts and castles across Ireland and Scotland. Now, when it comes to musical genres, the Celtic harp is not limited to just traditional Irish and Scottish music. While it's true that it's often associated with folk and Celtic tunes, modern harpists have been experimenting with a wide range of styles. For instance, contemporary harp players like Mary Ní Chathasay, Cormac de Barra, and Grain Hambly have successfully incorporated elements of jazz, classical, and world music into their performances. This blending of styles has expanded the harp's repertoire significantly. The Celtic harp can be paired with various instruments to create unique sound combinations. For example, it pairs well with the fiddle, uilleann pipes, tin whistle, and bodhrán, which are all common in Irish traditional music. The harp's melodic capabilities complement the lyrical qualities of the fiddle and uilleann pipes, while its harmonic and rhythmic potential enriches the percussive elements of the tin whistle and bodhrán. In addition to traditional Irish instruments, the Celtic harp has been combined with instruments from other musical traditions, such as the guitar, piano, and various types of percussion. This fusion has led to captivating combinations that celebrate the harp's unique qualities while exploring new musical frontiers. The lever system on many Celtic harps also makes them more adaptable. When you move a lever upwards, the string is sharpened by a semitone, allowing for a variety of musical expressions. This makes the lever harp suitable for playing pop, blues, reggae, and Latin music, among other styles. So, to answer your question, yes, the Celtic harp can indeed be played in various musical genres. Its versatility, rich history, and the innovative approaches of modern harpists ensure that this instrument remains a vibrant part of contemporary music. Whether you're listening to traditional airs or modern fusion pieces, the Celtic harp's unique sound continues to captivate audiences across different musical landscapes.